So hi, hello, namaste. Welcome to Motor Vlog Brawny, guys. Here again, we are in Aprilia, which is Dev Motors, who is a dealer of Aprilia and Vespa as well. And why we are here today is because of a reason. That is to give you the price list of all of our Vespas and Aprilia's scooters, which is available in this showroom today. So stay tuned, watch till the end of the video and let me know in the comments if you want to know anything more. And we have done videos on different models in particular to that, and there are videos in my channel. You can visit my channel or the iCards which are coming in. So as I said, we have three of our different models right away in the showroom today with us, and there are few other models too. We're going to give you the price as well to it. The one basic in an Aprilia, which is this is the one that you are seeing, the yellow color one, which is called as Storm 125, which is 125cc, where the other two is 160cc which are available. 125cc, you're going to get a tubeless tires with a disc brake and without a disc brake in the Storm as well. So the price of the Storm without a disc brake is 1,15,000 rupees. So with the disc brake is 1,21,000. So only the disc brake changes, where nothing changes apart from the disc brake, without disc brake and a disc brake. So these are the price ranges of this Storm model. So here is a SR160. So this is the Storm. So this is SR160. Where, as I said, which is 160cc. So this has an ABS and a disc brake as well. So one disc brake at the front, rear it is a drum brake as usual. So the price of this model is 1,45,000 rupees on road. So currently, you have a bit of exchange offers, and the prices that whatever we are talking about is quite negotiable when you visit the showroom. So here is the one, which is again SR160, but it is a race edition because of the stickering. So the race edition, I think most of the people who loves this stickering because of it has an Aprilia the color stickers on it. So that is what it resembles of. And there is few difference, few noticeable difference, which is the color of a wheel, which is red, and the stickering is quite different compared to the SR160 that we talked about. So the on-road price of this race edition is 1,53,000. So there is a difference of 8,000 rupees from SR to the race edition, which is again a single disc brake ABS, which is available. So these are our Aprilia models that we have done today. So there is something called SXR, which was very recently launched in the year of 2021. So we go there and see there are two models in it. Let's go there. Yep, so here it is SXR 125. That is what we were talking about, right? Which is kind of a muscular compared to the other ones that we have talked about, which is SR. So X is added, SXR. So 125. And there is another model of this which is 160cc, and this is 125cc. And if you are concerned about the mileage, 125cc, and there is no much changes apart from the displacement what it has. So the price of this is 1,54,000 rupees on road Mysuru. And again, I said price is negotiable, and exchange offers are available to you. So we have a white, matte black, and a shiny red. So all three are here, and there are four colors actually. So three you can see it. So there is one more color which is blue in here. Okay, so we have seen 125cc. Let's get on to 160cc. So here we are talking about SXR 160. So SXR 160 and SSR 125, I said there is no much difference at all. You cannot see without a sticker, you cannot make out whether it is 160cc or 125cc. So that is what the only difference which is. And the price, obviously, right, this is 160cc, it has to be a little bit more compared to 125cc. The price of this is 1.69 lakhs on road Mysuru. So I think we have completed all of the models from Aprilias. So let's get on to Vespas. So here we are with Vespa, which is a basic version in the Vespa, which is called as Urban Club. So Urban Club doesn't comes with a disc brake, it's a drum brake all over, and the tube tires are available in it. And the rest, the design, everything resembles the same out of the other two models that we have. So the price of this is 1,22,000 on road Mysuru. So there are quite a number of colors which are available. The signature colors as usual was a red and a yellow color, and even the blue, black, different colors are available. You can check it out in Dev Motors in Kalidasa Road, Mysuru. So let's get on to another model from this, and and one level above than this. So let's see that. So right here, the blue color which we talked about is a basic version, Urban Club. And now you can see the three models right here, which is called as ZX125 in Vespa. So these ZX125 comes with a quite a different color compared to what basic version of Vespa has it. So 5 colors are available, and only difference which is the disc brake and the tubeless tire in it. So the price of this ZX125cc is 1,37,000 rupees on road Mysuru. So there is another models too. Let's get on to that. So we have 3 models right here, and this one we talk about first, which is this is VXL 125cc again. So there are quite a difference, which is a mag wheel, disc brake is obvious, which is there, and LED lights on it, headlight, and you will get a digital display, I mean the instrument cluster. So these are the differences with this VXL model. So the price of this is 1,50,000 rupees, and colors which is same as the other model that we did, which is ZX125. So same things that you're going to get, same kind of colors in this as well. You can say a flagship of Vespas, which are the 2 models right here. One is here with a squared or a rectangular the headlights which are available, the white one and the orange one right here. These models are called as SXL. So one is to my right is 125cc, this is 150cc. The price of this 125cc is 1,55,000, and the price of 150cc to my left is 1,71,000 on road Mysuru. So what is that difference? Only the displacement is different. So in this exclusively you're going to get 6 different colors, and you can choose it. You have a wide range of colors in it, so you choose it and you buy it if you like it. So there is a limited edition here with us in Vespa, so which is not unveiled yet in here, and which is in a very good looking color, and I have seen it, I liked it, and there is a video of launching this coming really very soon to you. And please do subscribe to my channel and keep waiting for this getting unveiled. So I think this is all for the day, and I hope you got a good amount of information with all of these models, with the differences too that we have given to you. Hope you guys have liked it, and if you liked it, please share, comment if you want to know anything more, and subscribe to Motovlog Brawny, and we'll see you soon in the different videos which are upcoming to you. So until then, have a very nice day, and thanks for watching.